Hi, Emily and Kendall. We're very sorry you're not here with us, but happy holidays.
Hello. This is the genie. I'm sure you've heard of him before. And don't forget Jazzy. Hey.
Hi there. Jeannie.
So, I'm sorry you're not here with us, but I'm sure you've got much more important royal duties to attend to anyway, so maybe next time.
See you next time, all right?
Hello, Emily and Kendall. I'm so sorry you couldn't come visit me, but I'm glad that your parents came. I hope you have a lot of fun in the bathtub. Being in the water makes you an honorary mermaid, so have lots of fun in the water, okay? It was good to see you.
Hello, Emily and Kendall. I wish you could be here with us. But I hope to see you next time you come here. Goodbye.
Are you on? Emily, Kendall, can you hear me? I know this is a small machine, but we wish you were here at Disney World. We're the happiest place on earth. Those are the sparkles of the castle.
Well, hello, Emily and Kendall. I hope you're having a wonderful time. Goodbye.
There we go, it's on now. I was gonna say, wish you were here, have a happy unbirthday. Now off, cut.
Fantastic day. Maybe we'll see you soon. Hello there, girls. I hope to get to see you soon. And I hope that, well, I've heard that you've been reading, so I hope you keep doing it, all right? And tell me all the books you've read whenever you come back. Bye.
Hello, Emily and Kendall. I hope you're having a wonderful day today. Hopefully we'll get to see you next time. And don't forget to take your medicine with a spoonful of sugar, all right? Enjoy your visit. Thank you ever so much.
Hey everyone. I don't know how you're trapped in there, but I hope you can get out. It's not very nice to keep you in there. Have fun on lots of adventures.
Well, hi, Emily. Hi, Kendall. Be sure to fly down to Pixie Hollow, okay? Bye.
Well, hello, Emily and Kendall. I bet you two girls are on adventures now, aren't you? What cute little blossoms they probably are. Bye, sweethearts.
Well, hi there, Emily and Kendall. My name's Rosetta. It's so nice to meet you. Hope you come again here soon to meet us at Pixie Hollow. Goodbye.
Hello, Emily and Kendall. I hope to see you soon. We'll be able to come back maybe another time.
Hello, Emily and Kendall. Perhaps we'll see you one day. Have a wonderful day.